topper of 2022-23 Swastika Bhunre. She has received 95.2% in AISSC. She has also got a perfect 100 in English score. Throughout her school life, she has participated in several inter-school art and poster making competitions and has received several certificates for her good conduct. Presently, she is preparing for her NEET examination as she aspires to become a gynecologist. Keep applauding for Swastika Bhunre. Congratulations, Swastika.